Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your phone supports Esim and that it's unlocked. This avoids activation failures. Once confirmed, open Settings and navigate to the Cellular or Mobile Plans section. Make sure you have the carrier QR code or activation code on hand or the carrier app installed. Backup contacts and note plan details so you can restore preferences. Begin the process now by selecting Add Cellular Plan. This triggers the scanner or prompts for the code. You'll now scan the QR code or enter the activation code manually, depending on your carrier. Once scanned, follow prompts to label the new plan, choose a default voice or data line, and set data roaming preferences. This step determines how calls and data route. Make sure you stay on Wi-Fi or a stable connection while the carrier verifies the Esim. If an app is required, open it and follow its guided activation. Be patient. Activation can take a few minutes. You finish by confirming the new Esim is active. Make a test call, send a text, and browse with mobile data. Once satisfied, remove the old Esim profile if you no longer need it, or keep it as a backup if supported. If things go wrong, try toggling airplane mode, restarting the phone, or deleting and re-adding the plan. Those steps fix most issues. If the problem persists, contact your carrier with the activation code and error details so they can complete provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.